Greetings from Side, Turkey, on this 10th of June 2025. It is 3:30 p.m. and I am exploring another non-crowded beach here in Side, which I was forced to walk extra 15 minutes to get past by all of the sunbeds that I despise, as I think that the sand and the beach should be as it is, in its natural form, with sand and not artificial sunbeds being created and making a fortune out of something that it's not a necessity. Because you know what, you can sit and lay on the sand also, just bring a towel even on the sand if it is not as hot as it is today actually. So around 25-minute walk from my hotel and I am here at this public beach, I would say, but empty beach indeed. There is even some wooden sheds there, cabins that you can get shade on. I think it's maybe from the abandoned hotel. That looks amazing, but it seems it's not occupied right now. And that's all. So close by there are also volleyball courts as well. And here I can see right on this spot where I am, there are some rocks in the water, but if I look further down, there are a lot more people in the water over there. So let's see where I'm gonna be taking a swim in the sea. It is 29 degrees Celsius currently, and we're gonna find out the temperature of the water. And this is the first beach that I can see big rocks inside. I mean bigger rocks other than sand. So let's see how is the temperature over here in Sida. And yes, day 4 of my beach adventures here. So we are almost halfway through. And I'm actually really chilling in Sida. And I'm not exploring as much on my other vacations because I really deserve a bit of rest. And the temperature today is 29 degrees Celsius. 28.5, but I'm gonna round up to 29 as it is the same temperature as in the air. So yeah, let's then get into the water and enjoy a nice day here on the beach. As you can see, it is so nice and so sandy indeed. There are a few people that are passing by, walking along the beach, but other than that, there is nobody sitting and laying on this part of the beach. There is even one jetty I can see over there with some chairs and lounges as a cafe. So yeah, you know what, let's go actually in the marked area over there, because I think there are a lot more rocks here. So let's go to the official beach area, as they might call it. It's gonna be easier not to battle with the rocks, and later maybe I can do some swimming here with the rocks. So yeah, see the beach adventures. Quite warm, but I don't feel it's that hot actually. I felt it's a bit too hot only on the first day, but after that it felt like you get used to it, despite having high temperatures up to 30 degrees Celsius. So here we come to the bit more open, I mean, bit more public beach, I would say, but there are still rocks even here, as I can see. And bigger ones here indeed. All right, so my mission was not successful, but I'm going in for a swim anyway. It's also nice to see something else other than sand, right? But at least I am in the designated swimming area. Okay, after a few rocks here and there, it is sandy, and here is where the other sunbed starts. So it's only this part of the beach here that's without sunbeds, and I wonder why. Maybe because the hotels are not working right here, but that's good because we need also free beaches for the people that don't want sunbeds. All right, then let's go and take a swim in this super warm water, 29 degrees, same as in the air. It's amazing, I can stay so long in the water when it is this warm. As you know, I am used to temperatures of 10 degrees and lower even in the autumn, spring and winter in Sweden. And I was actually all the way to the very end of the coast here yesterday, where is the port of Side as well as the Apollo temple that you have seen in my previous episode. So yes, today another chill day, but on a different beach in Side. So let's see if I will be able to find 4 more beaches in the upcoming days. I don't think so, but at least I can enjoy a bit and relax, because relaxation is also a must. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Side, Turkey on this 10th of June, which was actually school end when I was a kid in my home country of Macedonia. So happy school end to those that are celebrating it today in any of the countries. And yeah, see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.